New weekly review and weekly analysis for upcoming week and review from last week, of course. So last week I only took, like I already went over the trade recap basically, and I took one trade, or two trades total, which should have been one trade total and should have been a W. Yeah, I took a loss on Friday, and then Wednesday was a break-even trade, so nothing really to say about last week because I already made a full recap from yesterday. Like I did that yesterday from Friday. So yeah, I can already go start the weekly analysis for this upcoming week. So for MNQ and ES, what my bias is going to be is I always start from the weekly and go from top down and then see what the journal really is. So weekly, I can see that the weekly trend is bearish now because we got a change in state of delivery here. We are not really bullish here, you can see. Like it's just a bullish trend, but this up close candle got closed below, so that's a change in state of delivery on a weekly. So a weekly break of structure or a weekly market structure shift, basically all the same, like it all comes to the same conclusion, which is for me it's bearish. So I'm already leaning towards bearish prices. So what is then going to be the drawn liquidity? I also see that in this leg here from like swing low to swing high, like doesn't matter which swing low you pick, but I'm seeing here like a lot of inefficiencies, a lot of bullish busies here, bullish array gaps. So busy here, always make it a singular one. So then on a 3-day, we have a singular 3-day one here, which I can mark out, which we didn't inverse yet actually, but I'm already leaning towards bearish prices because of that weekly change in state of delivery. And then on ES, we have a 3-day busy here, 3-day busy here. And on the weekly, we have a singular one, and that's right here. And we did close below this one, also use it as resistance to go lower. So that looks really good. And then also like NQ also has this, this has this singular 3-day one from swing low to swing high. So if you pick a swing low, doesn't matter. Like this would be range swing low and then the swing high. Then we didn't close below this yet, but we're about to. But I'm already, again, as I said, leaning towards bearish prices because of that change in state of delivery. And then ES did close below on the weekly one. And the drawn liquidity for me is then, I already have seen from like last week, like I already knew what the drawn liquidity was. But like these equal lows, we had this for like, yeah, how many weeks now? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like 10 weeks. We have these equal lows and now we're really close to it. Monday just opened, this Monday candle, like I'm not trading today. I'm looking at the economic calendar, how we can combine with like the bearish bias. Like Monday, we have no news, and then Tuesday we have PPI, so good trading day. Wednesday we have CPI, also good trading day. Thursday we have unemployment claims, retail sales, and then Friday we don't have any news. We have medium impact vol news, but I won't be trading there, so only Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday trading. And then yeah, Monday, not really expecting anything crazy. Could be a Monday accumulation. So far it does look like we want to go to these equal lows now. Like Monday accumulation most of the time, looking at like the power of 3 inside of the weekly economic calendar again. Monday accumulation, not really expecting for Monday to do anything, but yeah, it could already take out the sell side here. Am I expecting it to? We're really close to it, so I don't know, who knows. We could do it on Monday. Still, that isn't the ultimate, the external drawn liquidity. From there, for me, it would still be even lower. And then we have these equal lows here on NQ, which are, or those are the exact equal lows there on NQ. So this low is this low on ES. And then where could we go lower to? Bigger time frame, again, we're still bullish. I don't know. Like I'm only trading on like intraday, so like, or scalping basically. So I'm trading on like a 1 to 5 minute for an entry, and then only looking intraday for entries. So I don't really care what the monthly and weekly is doing. If this is bearish, I'm not gonna look for like, oh, this monthly could reverse off here and then I'll be bullish again once this low gets taken. Like that's something for the monthly. Like we have to build all that structure again, and that's gonna take some time. So it's not gonna give me a 1 minute entry and then, oh yeah, the trend is bullish again. So it should be a nice long. Like, it's not how it works really. So, but this is the draw liquidity. ES will probably go there first. Like, it looks way more bearish than ES of course does, or than NQ of course does. But yeah, what else is going to be the Tron liquidity? Then it's just going to be looking for lower prices, just continuing following the trend, which is then going to be, this will be the next start as sell side, which looking at this as like a market maker sell model. See if I can make it really clean here, like just this, like this would be the smart money reversal, lowered by here, and then this is going to be first stage distribution, taking out stage accumulation in the smart maker sell model. This would be stage accumulation, this would be stage accumulation. How far lower does it go? Honestly, it can go way lower. I think it would be like so, like this would be the original consolidation. Even though it's really tiny, like maybe it doesn't really look like the picture as it's like the market maker sell model, but like this would be one, this would be one. Doesn't mean that we have to take this all out, but I'm just going to be looking, as I said, like I'm only trading on like a 1 to 5 minute time frame, so I'm just going to be looking for shorts until we get again a weekly change in state of delivery, which will show me, or an inversion on like a 1 hour plus, or yeah, that could change my bias as well. But yeah, I'm just going to be looking for shorts until, oh, what do I do? Till sell side here, and then continuing lower, sell side here, and then yeah, these will all just be targets. Like stage accumulation, I mark this out, and that basically means, okay, like this sell side below here, here, and here. If we do go lower, let's say we do go all the way lower, which I'm not thinking that it will go all the way here. Like I'm really not thinking it will go all the way here, but then these, all these lows, that are the only targets. So if we have any liquidity inside of here, I don't really look at that as like a target, and only those are going to be the next target. Like I'm trading towards that sell side then. But yeah, honestly, I don't really think we will go all the way there. And then yeah, as a trader, like it's not my like I found out, like it's not my job to predict the market, what it's going to do. Like I just have drawn liquidities on the market. I know I'm trading on a 1 to 5 minute. I only have to follow the trend. I only need to know what the drawn liquidity is going to be for like the weekly, because I'm trading intraday, and then for the daily and the weekly basically. And then further than that, I honestly don't care, and the market will just provide me with new information from there. So yeah, this is going to be the drawn liquidity. And this is going to be the Tron liquidity, looking at this market maker sell model. Again, what I mean by this and this sell side are the only targets, and then in between here, there's not really any other target for me. And then again, like where would I think the market would reverse off of? Like it's not necessary for me to know, of course, but where could we go to? Like if I look at the monthly, we have a monthly imbalance here. Do I think this is going to hold? We have 18 days left. I do think at least it's going to take the sell side here, but then maybe in like this huge wick here, like anywhere in this wick, like if I just draw out quadrants here, or yeah, quadrants, why not? Like maybe at like the first quadrant, or we go to like 50% and then take the sell side with it as well. ES looks more bearish, so then ES will probably go there and not NQ. Yeah, I'm somewhere expecting for a retracement, or just a push lower into somewhere inside of like this leg here. And then from there, again, see prices going higher, or like this would be a range. But again, then expect prices to go higher again. Yeah, basically nothing else I need to know. Only that this is my drawn liquidity, this is my drawn liquidity, and that's it for this weekly. Nothing crazy technical, I would say. But yeah, that's just the way trading really is. Like it's in this case, it's just really simple because we're in such a big range. Or we're not really in a range, but we're such in a big, we're just, yeah, the market looks good. Like it's looking healthy. It's not really looking choppy. It's looking good. So yeah, easy drawn liquidity. Don't really have to do anything crazy analysis. So yeah, only these is the drawn liquidity. Anything else, like all these lows here, personally, I don't look at all these lows anymore because we already took those on the yes, so I really don't care about these anymore. So if I'm looking for a setup, this is going to be the target, and then I'll take something off at like at minimum of 1 and 2, of course, and then here as well. And yeah, like it's not going to be like a 1 and 2 here, and this will be full TP. No, if you ever never seen my trading plan, like it's probably going to be like right here, and then a 1 and 2 if it's 1 and 2, and then it will be like a fixed RR because this is like too far apart from each other. And then again, like yeah, as I said, like this is already taken. ES will definitely go for this low. like the chances are really high that we want to go there. And then yeah, don't really look at anything in the year, like all these imbalances here, don't really look at that. So again, Tron liquidity, sell set here, and that's going to be it for the upcoming week. Monday, accumulation doesn't really always have to mean like Monday accumulation, but for me it's just like Monday. You want to pick the highest probability for trading, and Monday doesn't have any news, so it does mean for sure, but yeah, the chance is higher that we don't really have the volatility that we normally look for. So Monday, I'm just skipping Monday, never trading the no news days. That's something I want to gather data on, so that will be something maybe for the future, who knows. But Tuesday I will be trading. So Monday accumulation, Tuesday manipulation higher maybe. Like the bear time frame is bearish. I'm looking at like a weekly power of 3 bearish candle. So this is like a weekly candle. You have an open. This is Monday accumulation. Tuesday go higher, manipulation, and then Wednesday distribution. We have news there as well. CPI. Wednesday CPI could be the distribution. That also makes sense. And then Thursday we have the closure, and then we have the retracement, and then we have the closure. So we have the open, high, low, close as the weekly bearish candles. What I'm thinking. Monday accumulation, Tuesday manipulation. Could also be Monday accumulation, Tuesday manipulation, and then Wednesday manipulation on taking out the Tuesday high again, and then trading lower on Wednesday as well. And then Thursday I'm just expecting for like an expansion, and then Friday that will be probably like the retracement, and then that weekly closure. Nothing special, I think. So that is just my analysis for this upcoming week. Let's do DXY really quick as well. Last time I did my analysis was like 2 weeks ago. It doesn't really matter on DXY because I really don't care about what DXY is really doing. But I think it was that I said like it was really bullish. I don't know how to do this anymore. Oh yeah, I said something like this. We got a nice push higher, and then again, like honestly, I'm not even trading this, but I don't even care what we do on the bigger time frame. But I said we inverse this, and then we use this as support. We took out the buy side here, and then again, like there's no reason to be looking for lower prices. This imbalance, I'm just expecting for it to get traded through. We are now above it. Doesn't mean that we close above it, and then this is 100% or it's even higher probability that we go here, but this does look good for it to just go to the buy side up here. But that's just really simply for DXY. I'm not going to do all the analysis over again from looking at the lower time frame higher. So yeah, that's just going to be my analysis again for DXY. Really simple, and yeah, and QNES. Yeah. So next week. Yeah, I already made a trade recap from Friday, so I'm not going to go over that. But yeah, I should have had a W day and already explained my emotions, how I felt that day, with like missing out that money that I should have made. Like it's really simple to say that, but yeah, like again, if you want to know what was up with Friday, then like I made a video about that, and it shouldn't have been a loss. But yeah, this is what it is. And then, yeah, this upcoming week, I will be trading in the Upstep X account again, which is this. It's now at 51K. Passing the account is like at 1/3. Like, honestly, that doesn't matter. But it looks like it's going to be a good trading week. Hopefully, it will be a good trading week. We are still in January. Normally, I've seen from data. And, yeah, I see traders talk about that as well. Is that the price action in August and December are not really that good. And then jumping from December to January, the first half of like January, first week or so could be bad price action. First 2 weeks or so could be bad price action, but the rest of January should be good. We're now at like past the second week. Maybe it's gonna get slowly better now. Like honestly, I think it's gonna be pretty good price action. Last week I thought it was pretty good price action as well. Looking at the markets, they look pretty clean as well. So yeah, we'll see for upcoming week. We'll be trading on that Upstep X account again. And yeah, thank you for watching, and see ya.